Good afternoon, traders. It's Nuke. Thank you for tuning in. I am coming at you to hit you up with the afternoon recap of today's trade. We are going to start off with Facebook. I think I only did what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stocks for the day. Let's see how they turned out. Remember, Facebook had a gap down from yesterday, and then we had our projected price action with our pre-market low of 160.05, pre-market high of 165.66. Possibility of going 100 over or 100 under. And what happened? It stayed right there in that main channel throughout the day. But it was a very consistent day. I hope a lot of you turned out green off of that. Let's see, what is our next one? AAPL. Let's go with Apple. Sorry, guys, I've been kind of busy outside the box here. So I don't even remember what happened this morning. So just want to recap it all. Always like a new day. All right, had pre-market high was at 221.63, and our pre-market low was at 219.34. Our daily open started at 221.50, and lo and behold, we captured the entirety of the pre-market action and a little over half of the 100% above, finishing out at a high of 222.82, and it was a glorious day. So this was another ticker that ended up right in that sweet spot where we were working at. Let's see what our next one is. AMD. Where was we at for AMD? Pre-market action had this thing kind of all over the place. Whatnot. So the daily open was at $32.80, but the totality of the pre-market high and low was $33.25 and $32.55 for just over $1.27 worth of change of action. If you take 50% of the 100% above and 50% of the 100% below, this thing was nearly spot on the button with taking up the full pre-market action plus 100% above or below. It's just that you got half of the above and half of the below. So this thing mapped out just about perfect. It was very consistent all day. Hope you guys were able to snatch some greens off of this. It was a marvelous play on AMD today. All right, what is our next ticker? TGTX. I don't think I ended up even playing this one today. I looked at it, but yep. No, we mapped it out. That was just a crap performer all day. Yeah. It was a pre-market thing, but never panned out. Sometimes that happens. All righty. Next one, AMRN. This was the honeypot for the day. This thing made some serious bucks for serious people. We took our pre-market action, and that was between $11.58 on the low side and the pre-market high of $13. It broke out, tested the high, dropped back down to about halfway. I think it was a 32 or 38% fib. Came back up, retested one more time for the 13, came down, finally broke out, gained some support there, goes all the way up 100% over, and then finally when it caught the backside of it, it slid back down just over that 100%. This was like the 68th percentile fib, and that also marked out really nicely with some of the pre-market action straight across. So this thing did wonders, and just like we said, if this broke out, it was going to hold this range. So here we go, another one that was right in the money. And our last one was NVEB. I don't think I touched this one at all. And, nope. There we go. Nope, it just does not want to do it. So for whatever reason right now, my Thinkorswim does not want to pull up the NVEB. Let's see, I got it on another chart up here that you can't see, but I can. And, oh yeah, this was ugly action. It stayed there around the pre-market high and the pre-market low, never broke out of the channel. The market sentiment just did not get behind it, but keep in mind that thing did have a nice healthy gap up I believe, from like $1 something. I could be wrong. Yeah, it gapped up from 365 up to 464 pre-market. So, but the market just didn't get behind it today. Oh well, maybe tomorrow. Hey, thank you guys for tuning in. So of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stocks we tuned into, 4 of them fell right into the target area we were shooting for, and 2 of them just did not have any reasonable action. Hope this helps you out, us going over them again at the end of the day, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.